In this video, I'm gonna show you on very simple steps how to buy stocks using cryptocurrency. So the first step is to create an account on BingX using our referral link. If you use our link, you will receive a special deposit bonus, and also you will help us to make a profit and keep making videos for our channel. So you create your account, just put your email, a password, click next. In order to buy stocks on BingX exchange or any other crypto that you want to buy, the first thing that you need to have is a cryptocurrency called USDT. There are a couple options. The first one is very simple. Inside BingX, you can go here to buy crypto and you can choose one of these options, and you will be required to send, for example, a self transfer, a bank transfer, or use your credit card. That is the first option. All these options here will require you to do the KYC process. On the other hand, if you want to do this very fast and you already have crypto on another exchange, you can just make a transfer from your other exchange into BingX. So for that, you go here to the wallet and you click deposit. And here on that deposit page, you just go here, select USDT, select the network you're gonna use for the transfer. In this case, for example, I use the Tron network because it charges you just $1 per transaction and it's very fast. They're gonna give you this address, and you just send the money to this address using this network from another broker to here BingX. In this case, I'm gonna send $100 just for the purpose of this video. So I already made a transfer, and after a few minutes, it arrived. So I'm gonna go to my asset, and you can see here it is, the 100 USDT that equals $100. So next, let's see where to find those stocks. So we go here to derivatives, we click on standard futures, and here we just go and click here on the upper left corner, select the stocks, and here are all the stocks that we talk about. We have plenty of stocks right here: Tesla, Apple, Amazon, we have Meta, Snap, AMD, and a few other stocks for trading. And if you are into Forex, you can also trade Forex here. And index like SPX or even NASDAQ and few others. So you check, for example, here we go with Tesla, and it will open the Tesla chart. And here we can choose to buy or sell an asset, select if we want to buy the stock at the market price, or trigger the order when a specific price is reached. So in this case, we're gonna go with market. We're gonna choose, for this example, $10. You can see here how much USDT we have available for trading. And here I can choose the leverage. In this case, I choose 10x leverage. You can go up to 50x for Tesla. You can choose here at what level you want to activate your take profit or your stop loss if you want to. And finally, you click long to enter a long position on Tesla. And you can see here, success. The order is right now open, so congratulations. Here you can see the amount of the order, the percentage gain, and your take profit and stop loss levels. And if you want to close this order, you just click here on the close button and you will close the order completely or partially if you choose to. You want to close it partially, you just click here on partial position pause and choose how much you want to close of the total order. In this case, I'm gonna choose to close it completely. And there you go. I just closed the total order. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We put out step-by-step tutorials similar like this one, and also trading analysis on almost a daily basis.